tutorial. I'm going to show you how to add your logo to your website. So let's get down to it. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your website here. So I want to add this logo right here to this website here. And if you guys want to know, link is down below. The video of this adding the logo here. So let's go to our website and add this logo to our website so that our website can look pretty professional. So let's go. The first thing you want to go to appearance and go to customize. So you want to go to site identity. Let's go to site identity. So you want to change this logo right here. The color is not right with my logo here. So you just want to drag and drop it inside there. Okay, now let's name our logo here. Let's add alt text. Let's go to select. So if you like, you want to crop the logo a little bit. Just draw it down. If you like, you may leave it like this or like this. For me, I can leave it like this because I can still adjust it. So crop image. Now the image is downloaded to the website. Okay, now the image is there. Now our website is looking great. Let's say I want to also use this image for the retina logo. Let's change the retina logo also. Let's use the same cropped image for the retina. So let's go. And a retina logo is a logo that will come out through their phone, through their smartphone as a logo. So let's say we want to also change this logo here. We want to change the site icon here to this one right here. Let's change it. Go select the image again. If you want to crop it or not, just leave it like that. So now all the images are the same. You can now click publish here. Or before you publish, you want to check it. You want to check it as this is how the logo look like in tab in your on smartphone. This is how it look like on smartphone. This is how it look like on tab, and this is how it look like on computer. So that is it. You want to click publish. Now if I go to my website, let's see. Now our website, the logo is looking great on our website. So guys, that's how you do it. If you want to know, the link is down below. If you want to know, if you want to see me doing this logo right here, check the link down below. See the video there. Then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel, and God bless. Ciao.